Early detection of narcissistic personalities and safeguarding your mental health. Detecting narcissistic personalities in relationships can be challenging, especially in the early stages when narcissists often hide their true nature. However, there are some signs and strategies that can help you identify potential narcissistic traits early on. It's important to note that not all signs will apply to every narcissistic individual, and the presence of a few traits doesn't necessarily mean someone is a full-blown narcissist. It's crucial to consider the overall pattern of behavior. Here are some early detection tips. Pay attention to love bombing. Narcissists often employ a technique called love bombing at the beginning of a relationship. They will shower you with affection, compliments, and gifts to win your trust and admiration quickly. While this can feel great initially, it may be an attempt to manipulate you emotionally. Watch for grandiosity. Narcissists often have an inflated sense of self-importance. They may frequently brag about their accomplishments, name drop, or show off their material possessions. Look for signs of excessive self-praise. Lack of empathy. Narcissists often struggle with empathy. They may be unable or unwilling to understand or share your feelings, and they may dismiss your emotions or concerns. Pay attention to how they react when you express your feelings or needs. Beware of boundary violation. Narcissists may push boundaries and ignore your personal boundaries. They may invade your personal space, demand constant attention, or disregard your need for alone time. Watch for manipulative behavior. Narcissists often manipulate others to get what they want. They may use guilt, gaslighting, or passive-aggressive tactics to control you or make you doubt yourself. Oftentimes narcissists have a need for admiration. Narcissists crave constant admiration and validation. They may become upset or angry if they feel they are not receiving enough attention or praise. Another indication of the disorder is difficulty maintaining relationships. Notice if the person has a history of unstable relationships or has a pattern of idealizing and then devaluing others. This cycle of idealization and devaluation is common in narcissistic relationships. With projecting blame, narcissists often deflect blame onto others and rarely take responsibility for their mistakes or shortcomings. They may try to make you feel responsible for their problems. Be mindful of inconsistent behavior. Narcissists may exhibit erratic behavior, mood swings, or extreme reactions to minor issues. A narcissist may try to isolate you from friends and family, making you more dependent on them for emotional support and validation. Listen to your gut, trust your instincts. If something doesn't feel right or you have a nagging suspicion about someone's behavior, take it seriously. Remember that diagnosing someone with narcissistic personality disorder, NPD, should be done by a mental health professional. However, recognizing narcissistic traits early in a relationship can help you make informed decisions about whether to continue the relationship and how to set healthy boundaries. If you believe you are in a relationship with a narcissist or are experiencing emotional abuse, consider seeking support from a therapist or counselor who specializes in narcissistic abuse and codependency. Certainly, let's dig deeper into the subject of early detection of narcissistic personalities in relationships. Understanding narcissism is to detect narcissistic traits early on. It's essential to have a basic understanding of narcissism. Narcissistic personality disorder, NPD, is a complex mental health condition characterized by a pervasive pattern of grandiosity, a constant need for admiration, and a lack of empathy for others. While not everyone with narcissistic traits has NPD, recognizing these traits can help you identify potential issues. Assess communication patterns and pay close attention to how your partner communicates. Narcissists often dominate conversations, making it difficult for others to express themselves. They may interrupt, dismiss your thoughts, or steer conversations back to themselves. In contrast, healthy relationships involve balanced and respectful communication. Validate your feelings. A narcissistic personality can be dismissive of your emotions, especially if they don't align with their own. They may belittle your feelings or try to convince you that you're overreacting. Healthy partners validate each other's feelings and provide support and understanding. Set and maintain boundaries. Establishing and maintaining these boundaries is crucial in any relationship. Narcissists may push these boundaries, testing your limits. They may try to manipulate you into bending or breaking your boundaries. Always pay attention to how your partner respects or challenges your personal boundaries.